In this tutorial, I'll briefly explain the new Microsoft Chat app in Windows 11. The Chat app is a subset of Microsoft Teams. While it uses the same account, you do not need to open Teams to use the chat. In the latest Windows 11 builds, Chat is pre-installed and placed on the taskbar. For now, we get a preview. In time, the application will get additional features like presence and status settings, group calls, and some more. To use the Chat app, you need to be logged in to your Microsoft account. You can open the app with the purple video icon on the taskbar, or you can use the keyboard combination Windows C. So there are two main functions. The first one is to send messages through text. In the application, this is the chat function. The second one is to make audio or video calls. Microsoft calls this the meet function. Additionally, at the bottom of the screen, you have the option to open Microsoft Teams. When you open Windows 11 Chat, you see an overview of your recent message history. Clicking on one of the messages opens the conversation so that you can continue where you left off. The windows themselves are quite basic. You can slightly adjust the look and feel of your text with format options. Bold, italic, underline, and so on. Next to the format settings, you have the option to send attachments. Of course, there are also emojis that you can use if you are into that. The last option is to send GIFs. In the search box, you can search for your favorite GIFs. The library seems to be quite big to choose from. At the top side of the window, you have the option to add someone to the chat. You can also make audio or video calls with the person that you are talking to by using the other two pictograms. To open a new conversation, you simply click on Chat. This opens a new window. Here you can search on name, email address, or phone number. Entering a name only works for people in your contact list. The contact list applies to Teams, Skype, and Outlook. If it is a new contact, you'll have to enter the phone number or email address. When you do this, the person receives an invitation to join the chat and Microsoft Teams. For now, we can't say much more about the application. Microsoft is definitely going to increase the features in Windows Chat in the near future. They hope to be much more successful than with Skype. This concludes our tutorial on the Windows 11 Chat app preview version. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.